Welcome everyone to DLH Performance. I just wanted to share with you guys an old video I found. A good buddy of mine, Mitch Ward, and I were doing some test rides, and he's on a 47mm China with a G2 Reed 80cc pipe and 36 tooth sprocket. And I'm on my Green Hornet, and I'm running a prototype 70cc Minarelli with a G2 Reed VM18 carburetor, 80cc pipe, and a 36 tooth sprocket. It happens to be a really beautiful day out in Canada, Alberta, Edmonton, and we're going to take the bikes for a little rip down the road. So Mitch Ward has got the camera on his helmet cam, and we're heading on to 45-mile-an-hour road here, and so we're just feeling out, warming up the bikes. I used to have lots of fun with Mitch. We used to ride all the time. When he lived here in Edmonton, he moved back to Nova Scotia. Mitch's bike is about a 50-mile-an-hour bike. I pull away here, taking the lead here a little bit, and my bike's warmed up, so I'm just gonna open it up here a little bit, and I make a little space between me and Mitch. There's no comparison actually with 70cc Minarelli to a 47mm Trandol. There's no comparison at all. The 47mm Minarelli is far superior. And we're just cruising along, keeping up with the traffic. I think ahead of me there, I'm probably hitting about 55 miles an hour right there, and I'm way ahead of Mitch. Mitch's bike sounds really good. He's got a really nice pipe on it. Makes it sound you gotta love the sound of the two-stroke. And you can see as I take off there, I only got a couple strokes on the pedal, and then off I go. It's very effortlessly with this engine, the 70cc Minarelli. It's got so much bottom end and top end. It's a well-rounded engine. I'm just sitting back, letting Mitch take the lead. I think me and Mitch were heading down to White Ave, where we're going to go get a Tim Hortons, and there's a spot there at Timmy's where all the bikers pull in and have a coffee, some chat. It's a good time. Mitch and I did lots of these trips together, where we went from one end of the city to the other. Mitch is ahead of me here, and my bike's pretty much warmed up, so I'm going to take it for a speed rip here. And I go past Mitch here about, I was pushing just a little over 60 miles an hour. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Mitch and I had lots of good rides together, like I said, and I'm hoping there'll be some more. Okay, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. I do well appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.